Hi guys, we're going to solve the equation 2x plus 1 equal to 3 minus x. We're going to arrange all the numbers in one side of the equation and all the variables, all the x's in the other side. Remember, when you move from one side to the another side, you are multiplied by minus 1. So we get 2x's minus x multiplied by minus 1 equal to plus x equal to 3 plus x multiplied by minus 1 equal to minus 1. Now we're going to simplify the equation. 2x's plus x equal to 3x's equal to 3 minus 1, 2. We are going to divide by 3 and receive x equal to 2 divided by 3. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.